Hi, I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo. Yes, in this lesson we're going to learn how to say keep in touch in Chinese. Keep in touch. Keep is 保存. Touch is 接触. 保存接触 doesn't mean anything, right? So keep in touch in Chinese is 保持联系. 保持联系. 联系 is like a contact, contacting each other. So it's like a keep contact me, more like in this meaning. 保持联系 Let me give you some examples. 我们关系很铁，还保持着联系。我们关系很铁，还保持着联系。Our relationship is very tight. We have really good relationship. So we're still keep in touch. We're really good friends. So we do keep in touch. 我和大部分的校友都保持着联系。我和大部分的校友都保持着联系。I still keep in touch with most of the alumni. Sometimes when you're writing a letter, you add keep in touch. At the end of the letter, you can translate keep in touch right here into 保持联系, 保持联系, or even simpler, 常联系, 常联系. 常 is like a frequent, very often. So 常联系 is like keep in touch very often. Please send me message pretty often, frequently. 常联系. Alright. So next time, if you're talking to somebody, right, you can say 保持联系, 保持联系. If you want to write a letter, you're going to say 常联系, 常联系. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.